Okay, so I'm back. Another video. So I'm gonna tell you guys about Smart Start. You never heard of it in your life? Like, it's genius. It's a genius system, automated, literally, guys. A whole training system. It's like genius. Shout out to Coach Tabby, like, hands down. Okay. Smart Start is an AI credit repair and loan broker training program. Okay. So if you want to learn about AI credit repair, if you want to learn about becoming a broker and brokering loans, it's Smart Start. Okay. So Smart Start, right? And it also is going to show you, right, how you can become an AI credit repair, right, and a loan broker, okay? Credit monitoring, free attorney aid, rent reporting, AI disputing, personal loans, estate planning, travel deals, business credit training, business funding, life insurance, health insurance, and merchant processing. What? And it's going to show you how you can get 40% commission on being a loan broker, right? Or financial person, right? Whatever you want to call yourself, right? So this is a fast track system. Teach you about AI, right? Also to teach you about becoming a loan broker, and also how you can get access to loans, women empowerment loans, loans for your real estate, loans for, your business, loans for your inventory, lines of credit. This is like blowing me away. And then on top of that, it also has social media marketing, social media training on how to create theme pages, right? Because my millionaire mentor and business partner created this, right? How you can use theme pages to build literally any business. So I want you guys to click on the link below, read it, sign up. It's literally only $27, guys. This is worth thousands. And it teaches you, right? Social media. A lot of people use social media the wrong way. A lot of people, right? So this literally, guys, give you step by step, literally step by step, what to do, and then how you can also make $27 over and over and over and over again. Plus how you can make residual income. It's insane, bro. Like, this is insane. All right. Plus how you can make residual income. Some people, this is going to be their retirement plan. Some people, this just going to be your retirement plan. So I dare you to click on the link. Get in the community. Join us. Because this thing is literally going to go viral. The marketing that they're finna do with this be like no other. So, Smart Start. Get yourself in position. It's 2025. Get yourself in position to learn some new things. Click on the link below. And I'll see you guys on the inside. Peace.